Do you know what your money attitude is? There's basically two types, a healthy attitude and an unhealthy attitude. And to be honest, the vast majority of people most likely have an unhealthy attitude about money. And I'll demonstrate this by sharing two different statistics. 76% of people in the United States are living month to month, paycheck to paycheck. Almost 50% of people have less than $800 in savings in the bank. That basically means one major thing will completely wipe them out. So an auto accident and repair, a medical emergency, something like that, and they're wiped out back to square one. Okay, so that kind of demonstrates that in general we don't have a very good attitude about money or know how to use it very well. This is Matt Dana with LiveTheHDLife.com, and in today's video I'm going to discuss 4 unhealthy attitudes people have about money. Once you understand what your attitude is, then you can start making necessary steps to change it and overcome that. Okay, so type number 1 is money avoidance attitude. This basically means that these are the type of people that think that money is a bad thing and that we should avoid it or stay away from it. We shouldn't talk about it. We shouldn't want to have money in our lives. Or they're also under the impression that they just don't deserve to have money in their lives. Now, we all know that money is a necessary thing. We have to have it to pay the bills. We have to have it to provide for ourselves and for our families, to take care of our needs, our wants, and then some of the luxuries that we would like to have in life. Let's be honest, we all want to have a comfortable life and to be able to afford some of those luxuries. Money avoidance attitude doesn't want that, though. They completely avoid talking about it and think that it's a bad thing, and that's just not the case. Okay. Number 2, money worship. This is the belief that having money will solve all of your problems in life, and that is just not the case. Having a proper money mindset will help solve some of the problems that money can influence in your life. An example of this is, have you ever heard about the person who wins the lottery? Millions and millions of dollars, they're fabulously wealthy overnight. You need to do a follow-up story about that person a year or two down the road, and they're right back to square one. They've spent all of their money, and they're back to living in the same situation that they were before. And this always amazed me. I never understood it until recently. Yes, the person had a lot of money come into their life, but that person did not change their money mindset. They did not change anything here or here. They were the same person. They just happened to have a whole ton of money, and that was it. And that's why they lost it all. Okay, so that is the money worship mentality. Third one is money status attitude. Your self-worth equals your net worth. If you have lots of money, that must mean that you are a good person, you're intelligent, you're better than other people. If you don't have very much money, well, that just means that you suck as a person. And that is not the case. Just because some people have money in their lives does not mean that they're a better person, and vice versa. Just because you don't have money does not mean that you are worthless. Okay, so the money status attitude. Last one is money vigilance. These are the people that think about it all the time. They're always checking their bank accounts just to see where they're at. They can tell you any given time exactly how much that they have, but they don't really seem to enjoy the benefits of money. This is kind of characterized by classic, what we call hoarding and underspending. Put it all in the account and never spend a dime of it. They never enjoy what they have accumulated, and they never use it to help the people that are around them or to enjoy it with their family, friends, whatever. So a very bad attitude to have. Okay, so now that we looked at the 4 types, the money avoidance, money worship, money status, and money vigilance, and unhealthy versus healthy attitudes about money, where are you at? How would you characterize yourself? Do you have a healthy attitude about money or an unhealthy attitude? And if you do have an unhealthy attitude, which category do you fall into? First step in making change in your life is recognizing where you're at. And this is the reason why I'm talking about this today, because in the next couple of videos, I'm going to be sharing about how we can change our money mindset so that we can start inviting more money to come into our lives, and how we can use it to improve ourselves, improve the lives of those around us, and to just enjoy it a little bit more. So I'm excited to share the next couple of videos with you. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, make sure and comment and share with your friends. This is Matt Dana with LiveTheHDLife.com. I will see you in the next video.